We therefore pledge that we shall promote ethical business practices and foster a culture of honesty and integrity. We shall not offer or accept bribes. We commit to good corporate governance based on transparency, accountability and fairness. We shall adhere to relevant laws, rules and compliance mechanisms in the conduct of business. We shall adopt a code of ethics for all our employees. We shall sensitize our employees of laws, regulations, etc. relevant to their work for honest discharge of their duties. We shall provide grievance redressal and whistleblower mechanism for reporting grievances and fraudulent activities. We shall protect the rights and interests of stakeholders and the society at large. Thank you.